Stop immediately!
What is going on?
It is very dangerous ahead.
That's all right.
Move! Move! Come back! No! What is this? Oh my God! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Okay, let's go. Aha! Come on, let's go. Yeah! Mission completed. Yay! Very good. No problem. See you next time. Slow down. It's very dangerous. Oh! What do we do now? Ouch! Help me! Help me! Wow, it looks good. What is this? Oh! No, 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 please! No! Call everyone over to help us! Let's get down to work. Okay, let's go. To finish the job within today. Thank you. I'm going. Hi. Glad to work with you. What is wrong with him? Oh no! That's great! Something's wrong. Oh my God! Please, call the police. That's great! Ouch! Oh, really? What is wrong with him? Wow! Wonderful!
Oh yeah!
I am ready. Ready. Wow, you are great!
No, 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 no!
Oh no! I'm so tired.
Oh!
Oh my god! Hurry up, hurry up! Something's wrong! We have to help him! It is very dangerous ahead. Hey! Yes! Over here!
Oh!
Hi, everybody.
Oh man!
It's not going well. Run! What do we do now? He needs our help. Oh no, I'm sorry.
Hey!
What is this? Oh no. Let's get started. Be careful. Come on, let's go.
Oh!
Slow down. We have to help him. Please call an ambulance for me. It is very dangerous ahead. Oh my god! Help me! Help me! Keep going, keep going. I believe you will do well.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hurry up, hurry up. Come here, come here. Yeah, bravo, bravo. I'm so tired. Stay away, stay away. Ow, it hurts. What is wrong with him? Thank you. I'm going.